Hello friends, this is specially for pregnant ladies. They will use the word craving and demand for the food. If they did not get what they want, they will get upset and they will say, if I am upset, then baby will also get upset. And this is not the truth. If the pregnant lady eats more sweets because of craving, the baby will start developing more fat cells in the liver. And this increases the risk of developing a diabetes from the birth. The mother's liver can be detoxified, but the baby's liver is not so strong. It cannot detoxify. If mother keep on eating salty food like pickles because of craving, it may increase to blood pressure. If BP increases, the blood flow to the baby decreases. This reduces baby's oxygen level. This may lead to babies born with low immunity, low body temperature, and even heart diseases. If mother takes stress during pregnancy, her body will release cortisol, and this stress hormones travels to the baby through placenta, because of which baby's brain cell will develop uneven. The baby may become hyperactive from birth, sleep very little and cry too much. Everyone at home can think baby is so active, but they could not understand this could be a health issue, not a blessing. If mother eats food prepared in reheated and refined oil, it may lead to unhealthy fats. The unhealthy fats blocks the healthy fats which are needed for the eye and brain development of the child. That's why some children fall sick often at young age. If the pregnant woman uses the plastic containers a lot, the chemical BPA from plastic can enter the baby's body. If the baby is girl, she may develop PCOS or early puberty. If the baby is boy, he may have low sperm count when he grows up. If mother takes too many antibiotics during pregnancy, the baby can develop joint problems in young age like arthritis. So the message is, craving is not an excuse to eat everything without control. If you like the information, please do subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in the next video.